Hello, my beautiful squad. I'm so excited to see each and every one of you. Today I have a very special facial for you. My client is acne-prone, dehydrated, with pigmented skin over 40. We're going to do a fabulous facial for her featuring Dr. BABOR today. We're going to start with our very first cleanse, very gentle cleanser by Tatcha. It's the Camelia cleansing oil. Camelia oil is really rich in omegas and vitamins. This also has Hatase 3 complex in it, which is green tea rich with algae and lactic acid. So it's going to give a great cleanse without stripping the skin and still keeping it hydrated. For our second cleanse, I've chosen a very gentle, milky cleanser to yet make sure the skin is very clean, but also to keep it very gentle and keep that hydration in before we move on to the next steps. For our first step in exfoliation, we're going to be using the Dr. BABOR Enzyme Cleanser. This is a powder cleanser. It's actually fine graded, water activated cleansing and exfoliating powder with vitamin C, which I absolutely love. So it's very gentle, but yet effective for textured skin, for brightening the skin. And we're going to put a very nice layer in the powder, and we also added water to it, spun it around, kind of frothed it up, and now we're putting it on the skin, and I'm massaging and working it into the skin. When you do this at home, you will not need to use steam as I am going to do here. I'm just trying to really accentuate the enzymatic exfoliation here to make this the most powerful exfoliation we can. You can absolutely use this powder exfoliation daily if you are normal to oily skin, and a couple times a week if you are normal to dry, dehydrated skin. Here I am mixing up a custom blend of ginger, enzyme, and lactic acid. These combined together will help address her hyperpigmentation, her acne-prone skin, and obviously her dehydration. Ginger is an amazing antioxidant, and it also will stimulate microcirculation in the skin for anti-aging benefits. This peel has 2% salicylic acid and 2% mandelic acid. Salicylic and mandelic will refine pores and gently exfoliate, and I did put a pump of 20% lactic acid in here. For the next step, we're going to be applying the Dr. BABOR Power Serum Ampules 8D Hyaluronic Acid. Since we took off that mask, we need to feed, nurture, and rehydrate the skin, and this is one of my favorite ways to do this. Dr. BABOR has created a clinical grade cosmeceutical skincare line. What I love about these ampules is that this is a super powerful treatment that you can do at home, and it's actually meant to do for 7 days in a row. And it's great for all skin types. It has 8 different size molecules of hyaluronic acid, and they all work together to deeply saturate the skin on many different levels. So it's revealing plumper, more hydrated, more glowing skin, more youthful looking skin. It also absorbs super quickly, so that's why I think it's great for all skin types. Now you can see here that I'm actually applying a hydrating mask over the hyaluronic acid to lock that in. I used half the ampule of the hyaluronic acid here, and we'll use the second half of the ampule after the mask. Now it's time to relax, putting on a black tourmaline mask for compression and also clarity of thought and mind and protection. I'm also cleansing the space with Palo Santo, and I'm going to be putting on a guided meditation for her, and I will put the same one in the description box for you all to listen to if you would like. Here I am applying the rest of the ampoule. Now remember, when you use this at home, you do not have to break this up into 2 uses. You use it in one use from your forehead down to your décolleté. What I also love about this serum, besides the 8 forms of hyaluronic acid, is the tripeptide. This tripeptide sends a signal to the skin to produce the skin's own natural hyaluronic acid. Now we're going to be applying the Daily Bright Serum from Dr. BABOR. This really lightweight, very effective serum is very fast absorbing, and what it does is it is designed to brighten the look of dark spots and age spots, but it also improves the skin's own natural self-defense mechanisms. So over time, the skin becomes brighter and looks a lot more luminous. Now for a gentle facial massage, we're going to be using the Bonafide Essentials Skin Therapy. This beautiful oil has some of my favorite oils in it, like rosehip, hemp seed oil, sweet almond oil, and my absolute favorite, which is sunflower oil. So this is going to be very gentle, but yet very hydrating to the skin. Here we are at the end of the facial. My client's skin is absolutely radiant and glowing and fed. We have addressed all of her concerns, her acne, her hyperpigmentation, and her dehydration. She and I have been working together for about a year. She came in with quite a bit of bad melasma, so this is our second peel season together, and her skin is just doing so well, and I am very happy to have her as a client. And I hope you enjoyed seeing this video, seeing this facial. Thank you all so much, and I'll see you in the next one. Lots of love from me to you.